So in this video, I'll show how to create a Netflix account in 2022. The first thing you have to do is to obviously go on netflix.com. You should arrive on this page, and here you should enter your email address. So let's start by doing this. Once you're done, you just have to press on this red button here, the Get Started. And this page should pop up. All you have to do is click Next here. And now you'll have to create your own Netflix password. It can be anything, obviously. Just choose a long password so you don't get hacked. Now what you can do is click if you want to receive emails of Netflix for special offers. If you don't want, just don't click on it and press Next. And now what you will have to do is choose a plan. Click Next again. You arrive on this page. So now, depending in which country you're living, here I'm in Canada, so this is in Canadian dollars. It could be in USD for you if you're in the US or whatever country you are. But the plans will remain the same, with the same features. Okay, this doesn't depend on which country you are. So you have the basic plan. That is the cheapest one, but be careful because this allows you to view your movies and series only at 480p, so no full HD. It will be in very low resolution. Then you have the standard one that is in the middle, which will give you full HD resolution. And also, it doesn't say here, but if you read this line over here, it will allow you to stream with two devices at the same time. So let's say you can be watching a movie and someone else using your account can use Netflix at the same time. So two persons. Okay, and then you have the premium one, which will be the most expensive, which will let you stream in 4K plus HDR, which is the highest you can get on Netflix. And on top of that, 4 different people, over here it's written, will be able to stream at the same time using the same account. So this is good if you know more people and you want to split this money in 4, let's say, or if you have many people in your family who likes to watch different things at the same time, this will be the best deal. So depending which one you choose, you'll have different resolution and different amount of people that are able to use the account at the same time. When you're done, let's say I want the premium, just click on the premium here, click Next. And now it will ask you for a credit or a debit card, or if you have a Netflix gift card, then this will be the time to enter it. So you're not obligated to use a credit card if you want. Just get a gift card, buy it, and then enter the code here and you'll be good to go. If you want to use your credit card, just go back, select the credit card, and here you'll have to enter all your informations. Okay? And be careful because if you're using a credit card, this means Netflix will automatically charge you every month. Okay, so they won't wait for you to accept or deny. They will automatically charge the amount each and every month until you cancel. So enter all your information, and then all you have to do is press the red button here, which says Start Membership. So once you're done, you'll have access to all the Netflix movies and series you want that are available in your region. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.